I will make Christmas tree. Start with the magic ring. And make single crochet 8 times. 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slip stitch the last. And next, the second round, I make 2 chain and double crochet increase in each stitch. 1, 2. First I make 1 double crochet here. Now counting is 1 increase. In the same hole. So make double crochet increase around. I finish the second row and next make the third row. Start with 2 chain and make double crochet and double crochet increase. Make in back loop only. Back loop only. The first 2 chain, this is a double crochet, and next make double crochet increase. This I make double crochet increase, and next 1 double crochet, back loop only. Double crochet increase. And do the same pattern. Finish the third row. Now I have total 24 stitches. The last make slip stitch. And the fourth row make 2 chain and make double crochet in each stitch. Total 24. the last stitch of the fourth row. The fourth row makes slip stitch